Emoji here, and we are going to be playing Square Bird. Yes, I have played this game. As you can see, I already have Batman, the Batman skin. Okay, here we go. Y'all, I think you guys know this game. You just have... Oh, that snake tried to break my thing. Yeah, let's go. Oh yeah, I forgot. Hold up, it's an ad. Okay, so I had the freaking, there's an ad. I died on one try. Oh, I know this. Yeah. Doesn't matter. Like I said. Sorry. Yeah, that sound I'm making, I'm in my bed. Okay. Let's go! Oh! Yeah! Yes! Yeah! You already know, bop, bop, boom, bop. See what I mean? See what I mean? I keep on pressing the start button. Oh! I'm kidding, I'm not gay. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Guys, on some episodes, I really might I might show my face. That it's gonna be on a video. Oh my god. I was just kidding. If that was up. Okay, I'm gonna... Oh, they could they're like coming missiles. Okay, guys, that'll be it for the video, and we'll see you guys. I'll make the new video tomorrow. I'll see you guys later. Have a great night, and peace out.